In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size of button in Webflow. Let's start right from the beginning, inside your Webflow account. After you log in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your projects. Find the site you're currently working on, the one that contains the button you want to resize. Hover your mouse over that project card, and then click the option that says Open in Webflow. This will take you into the Webflow Designer, which is where all the visual editing happens. Once the designer loads, navigate to the page that has the button you want to adjust. You can do this from the Pages panel or simply by clicking around in the canvas if you're already on the right page. When you see the button, click directly on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see its blue outline and the class name appears in the top right of the canvas. With the button still selected, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. This is the Styles panel, and it's where you control how your element looks. Make sure you're on the Styles tab, which is usually the first tab and looks like a little paintbrush icon. In this panel, scroll until you find the section labeled Size. It might be collapsed by default. If it is, click the small right-pointing arrow on the right side of that label to expand it. Once expanded, you'll see options for width and height. Next to each of these fields, there's a small icon that lets you choose the unit type. Click that icon to pick the unit that makes the most sense for your design. You can choose from pixels for a fixed size percentage if you want the button to scale relative to its parent container, or options like EM and REM if you want the size to relate to text sizing. For most simple buttons, pixels are a good place to start. Click inside the width field and type the value you want, then press enter. Do the same for height if you want to control that as well. As you change these values, keep an eye on the button in the live preview on the canvas. You'll see it resize in real time, which makes it easy to dial in a size that feels right. Take a moment to toggle between different viewports, like tablet and mobile, to make sure the button looks good on all screen sizes. When you're happy with the result, your button's new size is set and ready to go.